This is your warning. This video contains content that might not be appropriate for all audiences.
Yeah, let's take a chance, showing on the bush.
Es muy pesa. No es posible. This is 800 pounds. They're trying to lift it. They're trying to lift it. Not. See, what if we connect that shackle to right here? Then when you have a better point of leverage?
I don't think I'd take a better point of leverage. Like, I don't know why I didn't want to go.
Fuerza muy en contra.
Sabra, pero pone muy despacio
Un block.
aquí y a ver que este mueve.
Vamos a dar un trick. Jack too.
¿Ya?
Está aquí, que le ponen
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so tell me what you did.
I got all of our sheaves freed up. There's the one at the mast that we recently replaced with the shitty Guatemalan sheave, and then the one that's under the keel, which thank God I got it to be able to spin because it's impossible to get to. I think you have to drop the whole centerboard to get to it.
Oh Jesus!
But I got it freed up with some shit and wiggling back and forth. And it's just like a ball bearing. It's like, it's like a rollerblade wheel.
Okay. So now we're just gonna try it.
I'm gonna try it.
Should I go down below or you want me up here?
You can go low, or you can look in that hole if you want. I don't care.
Oh, I'll look in the hole. I love that hole.
Are you getting tight?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, you're moving? Yeah.
Is it going up?
Yep, yeah. Really? Yeah, Spence! Jesus, that's a lot of pressure.
So.
See, doesn't it just feels like that should be further aft, but I guess not.
No, I don't think it would matter.
Okay.
Because that would make your it'd be actually harder.
Oh, really? Okay.
I think the thing is that this thing's actually weighted.
As opposed to...
Hollow.
Oh.
Feels solid. Like I think it's full lead. So I think it weighs a fucking shit ton.
Okay.
Because like all our other center boards, like on Lorax, it's just fluffy foam inside.
Oh.
And so you have this little popsicle stick. It's like beep 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 beep. This thing probably weighs fucking 800 pounds. Like I had to use a 4x4 to pry it up to get to move a little bit.
Okay. So let's move the chain?
Yeah, I don't see a reason why we couldn't. I don't know if we should ask somebody first.
No. I mean, I think it's there for like it's not tight or anything.
Oh, I know, but
We'll put it back.
I know. Okay.
What? Tell me.
Nothing. I don't like messing with the jack stands.
Well, you gotta get this up, so.
I know. I was gonna ask the dude if I can move this shit. We'll just move this shit. You got lots of stands, right?
Yeah.
You're such a rebel. So you hang out here. I'm gonna go up and down a couple times.
Are you sure it's safe now that you've removed that?
Yeah. Yeah, you're good.
Pickle, I'm
Yeah, you're
joking.
She's really sitting on these.
Honey, I was joking because you were being a
Little ninny.
little ninny about it. Yeah.
Well, when you get crushed in your garden in Guatemala. So, I'm going to go up and down a couple times, and I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but maybe I'll put some grease in the sidewalls.
You want to do some research first, or you're confident that's an okay idea?
I am the research.
Okay.
Let me get on the room before them to see what they do.
Oh, funny.
So, this thing's heavy as shit, so I'm going to pull it up, and I'm going to lower it down. Just don't be under it when I lower it down.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna be right here, actually.
Okay, good.
Overall, the bottom's in really good condition, though.
Yeah, that's sweet.
We do have to replace our prop because the zinc that was on it got eaten away, and then the prop became our sacrificial element. So, luckily, we have an extra one on the boat. You're in trouble.
Not in trouble.
Yes, you are.
Always in trouble.
And you just have to pick up the camera more frequently. Not when I'm pissed off at you like this. Like all the time.
According to the record, this is when you're always pissed off at me.
It's just because I spent the last half hour trying to make subtitles for... You know what? I'm mad at both of you. I'm mad at you, Fry, for saying that Spencer mumbles, and I'm mad at you for mumbling, because it just makes me have to do more work.
Alright, we're gonna go outside as a team.
Yeah, both of you. Get out of here. Tell them.
I have to talk to the camera, Brina. So I removed the zincs on our center board, and water shot me in the face. So I assume that is why our board is so heavy, because it was filled with 80 gallons of salt water. Well, that's your problem, B.
Maybe say what it was filled with a little slower. 90 gallons of water.
The center board was filled with 90 gallons of salt water.
Ooh, it goes up. Notice that, Fries?
Yep. Well, you told me
With every story.
150 gallons of salt water. I'm not a mathematician. I didn't fucking pour into a gallon. Pour it into a jug to see how much it was. A shit ton of salt water, right? Okay, so we've drained the center board, and we're going to try to lift it and see if it's any easier.
Oh, it's still hard.
Oh, it's still the same. There's nothing changed.
Yes, you'd think.
Look at this wobbly shit out of here.
Well, that's disappointing.
going up. And I got it out. I drained all the fuel out of it, and then like fell like back in the casing. So I tried like 5 or 6 times. Because like you like get at an angle and then fall off. And then I started getting like sprayed with like dust in my face, and I was like trying to do this fucking thing. I was so fucking mad.
Well,
And I came upstairs, and you're like, you didn't leave me a seat. I was like, didn't leave you a seat, huh? Didn't leave you a seat. It's fucking 103 degrees out here, putting together a car up in a goddamn fiberglass storm.
okay, but we're over it.
Yeah, we're over it.
Yeah, it's a little bit hot if you can't see from our faces, our extremely red and sweaty faces.
Angry faces.
Yeah, but we are done in the boatyard. The bottom is painted. The centerboard functions. It's still a little heavy, like I can't do it by myself.
Yeah, but I can't fix that.
Yeah.
It's heavy. What the fuck you want to do about it?
So, I think this marks like the fastest turnaround we've ever had.
It's a good turnaround.
What was it, like a week?
Pretty good turnaround, yeah, I think a week.
Yeah! Let's get out there! Because we finished earlier than we thought, we decided that we're going to go to Antigua, which is inland, and it's a lot cooler.
Sounds
We're
delightful.
really excited about that.